this season on Cooking Up with the Kardashians. Alright, so today everyone, I am here. I'm about to make some food. Today on the camera I have who?
Mommy!
And so we're gonna make some chicken Alfredo, chicken and shrimp Alfredo. It's one of our favorite meals. It's super easy, and so I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's
Yay!
go. Shout out to Tia Whitey for buying me this new knife.
You must be out your mind.
He didn't buy it for me?
No, he did not.
Really quickly, I'm gonna just cut this up. I'm just gonna chop it. Yeah, that should be good. It's Mother's Day weekend.
Sure is. Don't know why I'm recording anything because
Who else was gonna record
this is
for me?
manual labor.
Who
I'm
else
not even
was gonna
supposed to be
record for
doing
me?
this. Wash that chicken. Wash that chicken.
Hi, okay.
Hi.
Thanks. Hi. Another important thing that my mother has taught me is that wash dishes as you go. You will realize you don't have that many dishes to wash after. Now it's time to season. Okay. First we're gonna go in with a little bit of salt, some black pepper, dried parsley, some cayenne pepper for some heat, some accent. Oh, there's none in here.
But the box is there.
Whose fault is that? I'm gonna use 2 packets of some accent, just flavor packets. 2 yellow and 1 orange. This one is just more for the color, makes your food more appealing. I'm gonna cut a lemon, some Worcestershire sauce. We like Worcestershire sauce around here.
We love Worcestershire
Some Worcestershire
sauce.
sauce? Get you some right now. I'm gonna use a little bit of African hot sauce.
Shout out to Shay. Bop, bop. Oh.
I'm gonna use some onion powder. Okay, so a trick to garlic I like to grab one side, cut it, and drag it so that the peel can come off. And drag. You see? But I probably won't use all of this garlic right now.
Garlic fiend.
Garlic is so good, and it's so good for you. Alright. Oh, I dropped the garlic. So now, with my handy dandy zester, right? I'm gonna take the side, and look how easy. And the garlic, it literally melts away in whatever you're cooking. Now we have all of this fresh garlic. I'll probably just take that. Oh.
Yep, that's enough.
Okay, so chicken is ready. It's gonna go and sit and marinate for a second. I have 1 pound of shrimp, and I'm about to season it. Really simple, with a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. And that's really all you need, because there's gonna be flavor from the Alfredo sauce. And so we just want to cook the shrimp first, so that because the shrimp, it cooks the fastest.
Why don't you cook it last?
What?
Why don't you cook the shrimp last?
Why don't I cook the shrimp last? That's a good question. But if you want to cook your shrimp last, you go ahead and cook your shrimp last. I'm going to cook my shrimp first.
Oh?
We're just going to add a little bit more to ensure that every piece of shrimp has a little bit of flavor. Okay, so I'm going to get my shrimp and my chicken on right now.
You about to put oil in that water?
And that was the point of me getting a piece. Ah!
Good. Thou shalt not disrespect your mother, especially on Mother's Day weekend.
I'm not cooking you a good meal right now. What are you saying?
You cooking me a meal? I don't know if it's good yet.
Real cute.
Hey, so how much oil do you need to add?
I'm just putting down a little bit.
So you're just coating the bottom of the pan?
Pretty much, you could say that. I don't want that much oil in it. And I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic that I have left over, because it'll help with this seasoning.
You're gonna do both at the same time?
I'm nice like that.
No, don't do that. You're gonna dull in the knife.
You can see the shrimp are already starting to turn pink.
my beautiful cook. Look at you. You're so serious. Who needs red lobster? Who?
When he me good, I take his to Red Lobster.
I take him to Dominic house.
If he hit it right, I might take him on a flight on my chopper. Chop him off at the mall, let him pass them J's, let him chopper. I'm a bird.
Yep.
Alright, so my shrimp are just about to be ready. Now we're just gonna trap it. And my water over here. Then you want to add a little bit of oil, because oil helps the pasta not stick together. Remember that, kids.
This is not an amateur.
All right, so oh. Yeah.
If I get burned, I'm stealing. Just so you know.
What's gonna happen is that all of the water is gonna come up, and then it'll disappear. And then when it starts to sizzle and starts to crisp up, that's when you know your chicken is done. So our water has finally come to a boil. Now it is time to add the pasta. It should take about 11 minutes to cook. And then I'm gonna add this to the pot with the chicken to fry up a little bit and crisp. And then I'm gonna add the Alfredo sauce. Smells good.
Smells delish.
So now it's time to add the tomatoes.
Ooh.
We're gonna go right in and add the tomatoes. Get the rest of that too. Now you can see the tomatoes are starting to cook. I'm gonna add. Today I'm using ragu classic Alfredo. If you have the time and if you want to, you can make your own. But this ain't that type of show today.
Yummy.
Come in. Bring it around. Now it's time to add the shrimp.
Ooh.
But before we do that, let's just check on our pasta. Maybe I should get a fork. No, I could do this.
What is it for? Just saying.
Don't do that.
Burn your tongue. Burn your tongue.
It's not ready though. My tongue, like me, I'm so greedy that my mouth doesn't feel heat anymore. Like I'm so used to just eating hot food. Like,
Yep.
Ain't no shame here. But I do need a little bit more salt in the pasta. Okay, now very simple. Look at all the juices that have accumulated.
I can't wait to put you in your mouth.
Pause. Some more lemon juice. If you want to tweak the flavors a little bit, I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper and some dried parsley. And I'm gonna turn down the fire a little bit too, because it's basically ready.
Yes. Looking good, son.
And then the final touch, what we like to do, finish with some nice dried parsley. Finito!
Dum 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 dum.
Okay. I think it should be ready now though. Perfect. We want to set a little bit of the pasta water aside.
You trying to break my cup, my glass?
I'm gonna break.
Put it in that small plastic bowl right there.
Now that we have a new plastic bowl, we can get a quick facial. I'm very excited for this part because this is my favorite part. So we're gonna take our chicken and shrimp and tomato and lemon mixture.
Ooh.
And we're just gonna add it directly over our penne. Some fresh Parmesan.
Yes.
On top. And you remember that pasta water that we... Okay, it's dripping. I'm just gonna add a little bit. And that right there is gonna help everything combine. It's time to get the spoon. And we wanna combine. Ensuring that every piece of pasta gets coated in that lemony Alfredo sauce. The final touch. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Very simple, very easy, and very good and delicious. Thank you so much, Mom, for helping me do this video. I hope you liked it. And we about to feast, so I'm gonna catch you later.